Feeling under the weather? Tired of relying on harsh chemicals and costly medications? Look no further. We've got the ultimate natural solution to boost your immunity and fight off infections. Get ready to discover the power of nature's antibiotic drink, a refreshing, inexpensive, and incredibly effective remedy that will have you feeling better in no time. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this amazing natural cure. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of this natural antibiotic drink. You'll learn about the powerful ingredients that make it so effective, how to easily prepare it at home, and the numerous ways it can improve your overall health. We'll also debunk common myths and provide scientific evidence to support its use. Whether you're battling a cold, flu, or just want to strengthen your immune system, this natural remedy is a game changer. The star ingredient: raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. 1. Packed with enzymes, probiotics, and acetic acid. 2. Renowned for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. 3. Helps fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The power of honey. 1. Nature's sweetener with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. 2. Rich in antioxidants and enzymes that boost immunity. 3. Soothes sore throats and coughs. Ginger. Nature's flu fighter. 1. Contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. 2. Helps alleviate nausea, pain, and respiratory issues. 3. Boosts circulation and promotes sweating to expel toxins. Lemon. A vitamin C powerhouse. 1. High in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune function. 2. Promotes healthy digestion and detoxification. 3. Enhances the absorption of other beneficial compounds. Cinnamon. A warming spice with benefits. 1. Loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Adds a comforting warmth to the drink. Easy preparation. 1. Simply mix the ingredients in warm water. 2. Can be consumed hot or cold. 3. Adjust quantities to suit your taste preferences. Scientific backing. 1. Studies support the antimicrobial and immune-boosting effects. 2. Effective against a wide range of pathogens. 3. Safe for regular consumption and suitable for all ages. Overall health benefits. 1. Boosts energy levels and mental clarity. 2. Aids digestion and promotes healthy gut bacteria. 3. Supports cardiovascular health and weight management. 1. Discover the secret weapon against illness that's been hiding in your kitchen all along. 2. Say goodbye to expensive and harsh medications. Nature has the cure you've been waiting for. 3. Unleash the power of this natural antibiotic drink and watch your immune system thrive. Embrace the healing power of nature with this incredible natural antibiotic drink. Say farewell to costly and harsh medications, and hello to a simple, effective, and affordable remedy that will keep you feeling your best. With its potent blend of ingredients like apple cider vinegar, honey, ginger, lemon, and cinnamon, this drink is a true game changer for your health. Give it a try and experience the remarkable benefits for yourself. Your immune system and taste buds will thank you.